trade journey. Now that you have set up your account, it's time to begin investing. Investing with us is simple and convenient. American markets open at 9:30 a.m. US time, which is 8 p.m. as per the Indian Standard Time. For trading done outside US market hours, you will be able to place limit and stop orders only. Choose any stocks and ETF by simply typing the stock name or symbol. For example, let's look at how to buy shares of Amazon. Type the stock name or symbol AMZN in the search box and select the stock from the list of results. Once you have clicked on the stock of your choice, you can discover a whole host of information related to the stock to help you make better investment decisions. Some of the information includes historical financial indicators, news, company financials, analyst opinions, ratings, and more. How to buy or sell a stock. To buy or sell a stock or ETF, just select the option from the box on the right. You may place market orders during US market hours or limit orders or stop orders anytime during the day. In case of market orders, you can specify either the number of shares or the investment amount. And for non-market orders, you can specify the target quantity and target buy or sell price. Finally, complete your order by clicking on Review Order and entering your 4-digit security PIN. Your PIN code is a personalized 4-digit code which you will be prompted to set during your first transaction. This PIN is set to further secure your investments and to ensure that you are the only one placing orders from your account. You will be able to track your portfolio by viewing all your current holdings and orders in the Portfolio section. Track your investments in stocks, ETFs, and stacks all on a single page. You can also navigate to the Orders section to get more details on your orders and trades. Buying fractional stocks. You can buy as much as 1,000th of a share via fractional investing. Simply enter the amount you want to invest or the fractional amount of the share you wish to buy and proceed. Investing with us is as easy as it looks. Access the world's largest equity market and become stakeholders in the world's biggest companies.